well, I give you the back tie. That nigga land on 1,000. I ain't giving no hit. I give you the hit or the back tie, whichever one you want. I give you the back tie. I give you the back tie. You gonna put your back tie on the line. On the line. You get out there, then I give you the back tie. You gotta put the big one go home. I don't believe y'all. You gotta put the big one go home. The bridge will never. I give you the hit. I give you the back tie. Go back tie on the line. Put your back tie on the line. That's your back tie. Hey, when them stays light hit, it's gonna be 3 more lights. They gonna all fall at the same time. One out the extra. You're gonna be feeling that. That's up from there. I thought it was going to feel local. Where is this right here? Y'all ain't know how to train them. I've been past right down there alone on this. See your ass there. You fat guy. Okay, no. I will. Wait. Hey, I tell you what. That's some bullshit. I give you the back time to hit. Come on. That's some bullshit.
Hey, go on YouTube.
He just ain't had no game. I told him about him. You want to hit? You want to back time to hit? He said he get so he won't take it. I can't race. No race. She said no racing today. She told you not to ride that motherfucker. She told you not to ride that motherfucker. What you did? You will. We race you. You don't go with it. Go.